Gabby is writing now F. R. Like a fountain. And then A. Beside R, but not too far.
That to Daddy?
Of course. And then A, N. Start with the...
Why did you say
beside A.
not connect?
Don't connect them. With the red, going down. Okay, letter C. Letter C. Sige na, letter C.
I can see my star.
Letter C.
Mommy, why are you
Letter C.
Mommy, if you lay down like that, you will have pimples.
Sige na, letter C. Oh, red. Make sure that it's within the line. Not too far. It should be beside letter N.
Don't connect, don't connect.
Yes. And then another C. And then lock.
Ew.
Alright. And then letter S beside E, but not too far.
Ew. It's an airplane coming.
I'll go. What's next? Letter.
Mommy, are you gonna
It's
say
letter G. I think the letter S is too far from the letter E. Why is that? You need to
Raisin.
yeah, repeat it faster naman.
Raisin.
Oh, go. It should be beside letter E. Go.
Hold this like this.
Oh, letter E. S beside but not too far. Beside but not too far, ha? Okay, very good. G. Okay. A. A. Beside but not. Don't connect them. Letter B. Beside A, don't connect. They are beside B, not too far. Okay. I. Beside R,
It's a baby
not
girl.
too far.
R is a baby girl.
I na I. Faster na, Gabi.
I love you, Mommy.
Dito. I. Beside R. Okay. And then E. Like the letter C. It should be beside. Okay. E. L. Okay. Beside E.
Okay, Mommy.
Focus on your work. L. Beside. Oh, where do you start the letter L?
Baby, there's the wing.
Another one. Okay. Beside L is E. Faster naman. Focus on your work. Don't look at anything. Oh, it's like letter C. Go. Don't connect them. Letter E. Then na lock. Okay, Y. Don't forget blue to red. Period or dot beside, but it should be on the blue line. Okay, Alba. A. L beside A. Not too far. Up until the blue line. Next, B. Blue to blue. Beside L. Not too far. B. Heart, heart. And then A. Go. Beside, beside B. Not too far. Why is it like that? It should be on the blue. Careful not to erase the letter B. Next. Next. Look at the letter B. Draw the heart again. It was erased. Okay, letter A. Red going to blue. Next, F. Oh, a little more. F.
Mommy, the last there at your phone, it's looking at me. I look funny.
F. Okay.
Blue.
On the red. R. Beside F. Okay. With the letter A. Go. A. Faster. So we can eat na. A.
Wait, is Ate upstairs?
A na. A.
It's this one outside.
Yeah. A. Beside R, but not too far. Okay, next is N, beside A. Okay, and then C.
It's not flying.
C.
Mommy, are you taking a photo of me?
Yes, C. Continue. C. Oh, another C for E. Okay, and then S beside E.
This is also a baby girl.
Okay, Gabriel. Oh,
It's a
letter
baby
G.
girl. It's a baby girl.
Oh, G, G, G.
G, like that.
Gabriel. Okay, and letter A. Beside letter G. Don't connect them. Next, B. Beside A. Beside A na. Oh, it's A. B. Okay. R. Beside B.
Heart.
R.
Again? Oh. It's look like the color
I.
blue. It's gray. It's gray. It's gray. It's gray. Here.
Oh,
Color-
go. I. Okay. E, go.
It's itchy.
Then lock.
Itchy.
O, L. Beside E, L.
With the eraser.
L. Beside E, ha? Very good. Another E. Oh, why did you connect them together? Are they connected? Careful na. Oh, you need to write the L again. Next. Okay, letter E. Okay, and then Y. Period.
For that.
Okay, Alba. Next. Alba. Alba.
Uh-oh.
Next.
Mommy, why are you
F.
sleeping?
I'm not sleeping.
And why is your eyes closed?
Go. Sige na, so we can sleep together. I've got work later.
Eat.
Oh, okay. Eat. How many? 1, 2, 3. Oh, go. Almost done. F, go.
Mommy, do you hear that? I fart.
Blue. Then red.
Are you gonna send it now?
R. No. R. Finish it.